thở ra tay trái xuống here và tay phải xuống right here. Chân phải thẳng chỉ là phía chân trái là phía dưới. Hold your maintain balance. Sau very lift up. 5 4 3 2 và 1 chân trái xuống rồi để chỉ cả hiểu hít vào hai tay lên inhale join your palm look up and hold take it up and straight to the zoom sau mặt mình lên chop tay 5 4 and straight to look up 3 2 và 1 thở ra tay xuống chân phải ngồi trên in now left leg free here right to grab chin catch your maintain balance look up and hold zoom here bring your back bend and balance the body hold you 6 5 come on 4 3 2 and then toss the head tay trái put it here like this and everybody put it here and everybody and chân both leg forward look straight hold sau balance 5 4 3 2 và 1 từ từ đào xuống như là this hai chân trụ gập chân đúng như thế này gập rất nhiều bend the leg and hold it if you're having period or cervical pain so don't do feet together and hold 6 0 5 4 3 2 and then again go slowly put your knee on your elbow and head mắt nhìn lên look up jump chaturanga gấp tay hít vào mặt nhìn lên thở ra mông lên ăn vai xuống thở ra change your leg left leg hít vào chân trái inhale breathe in between your palm and raise the both arms straight look up and hold you sau look up 5 4 3 2 và 1 thở ra tay trái xuống về phía chân trái thẳng chân phải gập chỉ là hold you sau 5 4 3 2 và 1 chân phải gập here right leg bring forward and left leg kick back inhale join your palm look up and hold you chỉ up sau mặt mình lên 5 4 3 2 và 1 thở ra keep both arms down left rooted in here and so we will go back side plank pose and this is the back and here mắt nhìn lên hold be careful to your arm sau maintain balance 5 4 3 2 và 1 hai tay xuống now crow take your right leg forward hai chân put forward with zoom sau balance up everybody 5 4 3 chuỗi đào xuống. And suddenly try to continue. Lift up. Yeah. And slowly how you just feet together. Open your knee, bend your knee, and same like a butterfly. If you're having periods, don't do. Neck pain, don't do. South. 5 4 3 2 Đúng rồi, thở sâu. Chân xuống, đầu lên. Ăn chậm chân tu lần đầu của bạn try to breathe. Hít vào, inhale, go up, up, up. Thở sâu, down dog, twist down. Right leg, chân phải hít vào in between your arm here. Gót chân xuống, straight here. Hai tay thẳng, look at your right hand and hold here. Relax the shoulder, relax your breath, take normal breathing. 6 5 4 3 2 One more. Thở sâu. Tay xuống, put it here like this, everybody. Now again, how to just get here, and you have to put it forward. Look straight and hold it. Rapidly. Then twist it forward and hold, try to maintain balance. So, when your elbow 90 degree, look straight. 5 4 3 2 and một thở ra mông xuống. Đi lại sang bên nó. Hai chân trụ. Lúc bên sang hai chân trụ. Now slowly you go push to the left side. Now again how to just lift up and let it. Or if possible, you can rise one and move it and hold it. You can do the same. If possible, you can drop your shoulder or just bend your elbow. So, look straight up, everybody. 5 4 3 2 1 từ từ mông xuống, push your eyes all the way. Again, your hít vào hai tay lên ở phía. And thở ra ôm chân, hai lưng vai xuống. 6 5 4 3 2 1 hít vào hai tay lên to the left and straight here. Now again how to height and to here like this again to the left side only. Now both elbow bend here, look straight. Now one leg up, lift up and hold it. Clear? Now both elbows straight. One leg bend and one leg straight. So, try to balance up everybody. 5 4 3 2 có một chân lần rồi. Rồi hít vào mặt mình lên được up. Thở ra mông lên, down dog, press your hip down. Change leg, left leg. Chân trái hít vào, chỉnh mình high, warrior 2. Hai tay thẳng, reach your left hand and hold your column wide, column toe. Relax your shoulder and breath south. Take normal breathing. 5 4 3 2 Đúng rồi, thở ra, tạm xoay, a twist. Tay trái ngoài xuống. And you both get forward here. Go straight. So, 5 4 3 2 với một từ mông xuống. Again, hai chân trúc. Now if you strike like this, so you can rise one. Okay, sit here. One leg up and see, try to lift up the hip, okay, and put the body weight on your head and just stay up. See here, put it your one elbow 90 degrees here, and with this leg down, take your hip up. Okay, then put your body weight on your head and lift up. Try to be very easy. So, lift up. Balance. Numb. Bone. Bar. High. Come on. Chest up. Take your moves on. Exhale and relax your head down. Relax your breath and shoulder. So. Numb. Bone. Bar. High. And come on. That means how to twist. Now both hands bend 90 degrees. Lift up here and one leg up and one leg bend. And hold here. Probably twist. So. Numb. Bone. Bar. From this chaturanga high. Come on. Chaturanga. Up tight. Hip vào mặt mình lên và look up. Trở ra mông lên, mắt mình rong. Right leg forward, hip vào in between your palm. Left leg up here. And sorry, take both arms straight, look straight and hold, so lean back. So, numb. Bone. Bar. High. Come on, up chin side, bend the left leg here, raise the both arms straight, and lift the hip. Now show you how to take your one knee here and another knee here. Then after that, you have to do headstand and sit. Keep the leg like this only. Okay? Don't move the leg. Here and then sit. Sit mum and hop book. Sit mum, hop book and sit there. First do crow and balance, then balance. So don't move your leg, only move your hip. Yeah. Don't move your leg. Change. Hop book, sit mum. Find the balance, everybody. More up, left knee more up. Take left knee straight. Now again, slowly, same way, come back, crow, put it down, head up. Then again, chaturanga. Okay, mama leg. Mông leg. Left leg, đôi chân. Chân trái hít vào. Hai chân phải lên and hai tay lên up in balance. Rút sau. Numb. Bone. Bar. High, come on, hit vào, inhale, tail up here. Again, hand just bend your right leg here. And slowly take a both knee on your elbow. Then slowly drop your head down, lift it and hold it. Take more. Be careful with your neck. Having neck pain, so don't do cervical, come down, hold out, come down. So, numb. 4, 3, 2. Có 1, từ từ, 2 chân xuống, dốc chân tuần lọc. Hít vào mặt mình lên. Thở ra mông lên, ăn vai xuống. An chậm, hít vào mặt